Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now in this video we discuss about equivalent resistance of the given circuits. Once you check it, you have totally 8 resistors in the circuit. Let's we check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 resistors in the circuit. They are connected in. Some resistors are connected in series. Some resistors are connected in parallel. Let's go and watch it. Now, your target is equivalent resistance and A and B. A is the starting point and B is the ending point. Let's go and watch it here. You can redraw. You can redraw of the circuit. Starting A is, here you can write, A is connected with 6 ohms. A is connected with 6 ohms and 10 ohms and 5 ohms are connected in series. Then 10 plus 5, 15 ohms. 10 plus 5, 15 ohms. Understand? This is the other end. This is the other end. 10 plus 5, 15 ohms. This is the first part and this is the second part and this is the third part. Understand? First part 10 plus 5 15 ohms and the second part 7 plus 8 15 ohms 15 ohms. Both are in parallel. Both are in parallel. So here you can write. Both are in parallel but they are connected in other end B. Okay, both are in parallel. This is also 15 ohms and finally this is 11 plus 4, 15 ohms are connected in parallel of this. Are connected in parallel of this. And connected with end B. 15 ohms. They are finished and finally B is connected with 8 ohms. B is connected with 8 ohms. This is B, 8 ohms. Understand this condition. Here 6 ohms is the starting, 10 plus 5 is the 15 ohms, 7 plus 8 is the 15 ohms, 11 plus 4 is the 15 ohms. The 3 points are in parallel. These are series, the 3 points are in parallel. Okay. Of course, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. Now you find equivalent resistance. Now you find equivalent resistance. Once you check it, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 3 by 15. That means finally that is equal to 1 by 5. That is equal to 1 by 5. Finally, therefore, R equivalent is equal to 5 ohms. R equivalent to 5 ohms. Then finally, let's check here. Finally, 1 by 15 ohms, 15 ohms, 15 ohms are in parallel. Here, now you find equivalent resistance, that is 5 ohms. Finally, the 5 ohms are in series. Finally, here watch it. A 6 ohms and here 5 ohms. 5 ohms and finally here 8 ohms. And finally is B. 8 ohms. 6 ohms. Equivalent resistance of these 3 resistors in parallel is 5 ohms, 8 ohms. Now the 3 resistors are in series. Of course. Therefore, equivalent resistance R equivalent is equal to 6 plus 5 plus 8. What is it? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 ohms is the answer of this question. If you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. Definitely I will check about that question. Subscribe and thank you.